Ever dreamed of going on a cross-country motorcycle trip? Picture the open road stretching out before you, the wind in your face, the roar of the engine beneath you. It's an exhilarating thought, isn't it? But before you can embark on this adventure, there's some crucial planning to do. First up, you need to choose your route. There are countless iconic routes to consider, such as the legendary Route 66, the scenic Pacific Coast Highway, or the historic Great River Road. Or, you might want to blaze your own trail based on your personal interests. Regardless, do some research to consider the distance, road conditions, and attractions along the way. Next, set a budget. How much are you willing to spend on this journey of a lifetime? Consider the costs for fuel, accommodations, meals, and maintenance. Don't forget to set aside some emergency funds. A budget will help you make informed financial decisions during your trip and prevent overspending. Now plan your timing. When do you plan to embark on this epic journey? The time of year and weather conditions along your chosen route are crucial factors to consider. Summer is a popular season for cross-country trips, but other seasons can provide unique experiences and fewer crowds. Before hitting the road, ensure your motorcycle is in top-notch condition. A thorough maintenance check is crucial, including an oil change, tire inspection, brake inspection, and any necessary repairs. Carry essential tools and spare parts for those minor roadside fixes. Next, think about your gear and packing. Packing light and efficiently is key, as your motorcycle's carrying capacity is limited. Prioritize the essentials like protective riding gear, a first aid kit, a tire repair kit, and a tool set. Secure your belongings in dry bags or saddlebags to protect them from the elements. Safety should always be your top priority on a motorcycle trip. Always wear a helmet and protective riding gear. Consider taking a motorcycle safety course if you haven't already, and ensure you have a reliable roadside assistance plan. Accommodations are another important aspect to consider. Where will you stay along your route? Options range from hotels and motels to campgrounds or even couch surfing. Make reservations in advance to avoid last-minute hassles. Invest in reliable navigation tools. A GPS device or a smartphone app designed for motorcycle trips can be invaluable. Plan your daily routes in advance and carry physical maps as backups. Consider documenting your journey. Whether through photography, video, or a travel journal, capturing memories of your trip can enhance the joy of the journey and allow you to relive it later. Finally, while planning is essential, stay flexible. Be open to unexpected discoveries and detours. They can often lead to the most memorable moments. So, to sum up, choose your route carefully, set a budget, plan your timing, check your motorcycle, pack wisely, prioritize safety, plan your accommodations, invest in reliable navigation tools, document your journey, and stay flexible. Follow these steps, and you're well on your way to planning an epic cross-country motorcycle trip. Saddle up and enjoy the ride.